I have the Samsung Galaxy A34 5G, and I'll be showing you two ways of scanning QR codes with this phone. The first method is using the stock camera application. So all you need to do is launch the camera like that. And with the camera launched, just point it at a QR code. So for instance, this is a QR code. Just point it like that. And as you can see, it reads that QR code and takes us to wherever the QR code wants us to go, basically. There you go. So it takes us to the review page of this guy's website. Okay. Another way you can scan QR codes with this phone is by swiping down from the top of the screen and then swipe again to reveal these shortcut icons and then look for scan QR codes. Okay, so if you tap on that, it launches the QR code scanner. Just point the scanner at the QR code, and again it's going to scan that QR code and do whatever the QR code wants you to do. And that's basically how to scan QR codes on your Galaxy A34 5G. Now, if for some reason the stock camera app does not scan the QR codes, then simply launch it and then go to settings. On the main settings page, make sure scan QR codes is enabled. Okay, so if it's disabled like this, then it's not going to be able to scan QR codes. So make sure this option is enabled. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.